Hello friends, welcome to SahuStudies. In this video, how we can use select function in PySpark. So what is select function? It is used to select single, multiple or all the columns from a data frame. In this video, we are going to see how many ways we can select a column from a data frame. So in this exercise, I am importing all the required libraries, creating a CSV, creating a list variable which has the part of the CSV file, creating a custom schema with the help of a struct type and a struct field. I am defining column name and data type, column name, data type, column name, data type, column name, data type, column name, data type, column name and the data type. With the help of a spark.read.csv function, with the help of a list variable which has addresses of the CSV file and this custom schema which has 7 columns and its data type, we are reading the CSV file with the help of a spark.read.csv and creating this data frame. Once the data frame gets created, we are going to use how many ways we can select columns. So this is the first way. On the data frame, use select function and pass all the name of the column which we want to select in double quotes. Second one is use the select function, then first use the data frame name, then column name, data frame name and the column name. Same way, multiple columns we can able to select it. Third way is select function, use the data frame name and on the bigger bracket and in the bigger bracket and in the inverted comma, put all the columns names which you want to select. Third one is, next one is call the select function and on the bigger bracket put all the name of the column which you want to select. And the last one, with the help of the column function, we can also select a column name. So these are the ways through which we can select a column, which we will be seeing in detail in this exercise. But in this exercise, the code which till here, where we are just creating a data frame by reading a CSV file, we have done multiple times in this video. So what I am going to do, I will copy this code from one of the previous exercise, and after that we will see how this select function is going to work in Databricks. So let's go to the Databricks, create a notebook. Let's copy the code till creation of data frame by reading a CSV file. Okay, all the code I have copied from one of the previous exercises. Let's run it. Okay, here all the required libraries has been imported in this notebook. Let's create this custom schema. Custom schema has been created successfully. Let's create the list variable. It has been created successfully. Now let's read the CSV file with the help of a spark.csv file to create this data frame. This data frame has been created successfully. Let's see the content of this data frame. Now let's see how many ways we can select a column from a data frame. Let's select what we are going to select. We will put in the double quotes the column name which we are going to select. So let's select AP name and then AP salary and call the show function to display the content. Here we can see only two columns it has been selected because we have given these two columns. So this is the one way. Second way is dot select, put this data frame name and the column name. This is the first column name which we want to select, and AP salary is the second column which we want to select. Bigger bracket in the inverted comma, give the name of the column which you want to select. So name of the column is as a salary, and we are going to use show function to display the content. Here also we can see we have selected only two columns. This is another way. Third way, another way to select the column is select, and in the bigger bracket just give all the name of the column which you want to select. And just call the show function. See, here also we are able to select these two columns which we have given in the bigger bracket. Let's see another way how to you select a column. Select. Here now we are using the column function to select the column AP underscore name. Then second is again we are using column function to select the column name AP underscore salary. Okay, so let's use this show function to display the content. So we can see with the help of a column function we can also select name of the column, select the column from a data frame. So we have seen multiple ways how we can select column from a data frame. Let's go to the PPT. Thank you. If you like content of my video, then please subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and press the bell icon to get notification whenever I add videos.